In this lecture, I am going to take you through another website. The name of the website is pixels.com. Here you can download royalty-free stock images for your YouTube videos. So let's start. Here all the images are classified according to categories. Here you can see the category of smartphones. Around 131 photos are there. Another category is water drops. Play the colors. If you are looking for images for people, you can find them here. Happy feet, write it down, birds, mellow yellow, beautiful background. If you are looking for backgrounds, this category will help you. Let me click. See, some beautiful images are here. This one looks great. Now talking about the downloading of these images, very easy. I just click the image. Now you can click this free download button. Now the image has started downloading. As you can see the drop down arrow button here. Now original size of the image is this one. Large one is this, medium, small. So if you are looking for medium size, then click this option and download. There's another option of selecting custom size. Here you can define your width and height of the image, then click download. The image will start downloading. So this is a very good website for you to use images. Let's explore this website a little bit more. If I go to the browse section, you can see that discover photos, popular photos are there. Some popular searches are conducted on this website. Leaderboard, photo challenges, photos by color, tools. You can download an iOS and Android app for this as well. You can contribute photos to it. If you have good photos, you can contribute to this website as well. So this is how you can download great images for your YouTube videos. I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.